Got something weird for you today. Steam has just released, I just recently released a kind of controversial video about Valve and Steam, and one of the core points I hearkened on was that I really wish Valve would be more proactive and more speedy about releasing new features and updates to Steam. Well, they've just released Steam Chats, which is basically like a Discord competitor built into Steam. I think it might be too little too late, given that everybody has already started utilizing Discord as their core communication service and using Steam to communicate isn't all that common, at least among people that I talk to these days, whereas used to that was the only way we messaged each other. But we're going to flip on over to the desktop here in a second and check it out and see what it's all about.
Useful tech education and gaming nostalgia that won't put you to sleep. Get subscribed and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next guide. Alright, I will have a link in the video description where you can sign up for the beta for Steam Chat. And it gives an overview of the UI changes and what all they've added. And basically they have implemented everything that Discord has been using within Steam itself and finally caught up with the modern era. And I've gone ahead and swapped over to the beta, and you can probably immediately see the UI is pretty updated. Like, obviously it has the core factors of Steam's UI, but it doesn't look like it's really old. The friends list, this is all updated and fancy looking. You can create favorites for your chats and your friends. So for example, I can drag here up to favorites. Now he's a favorite. Add friends, search for friends, can pull up settings. Now you have a new settings menu. Open a new window for chats instead of tabs. Used to I had that on, but now with this new UI, I'm going to keep it off. You can ignore away statuses when sorting friends. That's what I'm going to do. Remember your open chats. No longer do you have to join group chats every time you relaunch Steam. Now you are permanently a part of them unless you choose to leave, and you can keep them in favorites, and you don't have to rejoin them every time. It will remember them if you wanted to. You can compact your favorite area to use up less space here, so now it's just the icon. I like that a lot. And then you can append nicknames next after friends' names instead of replacing them completely, which if someone changes their name to a new nickname, that gets really confusing, so you can put them next to each other so you know whose is who. I'm going to keep that on because I always get confused when people start changing their name. Then you have usual notification settings. Those are pretty standard. Voice settings are probably going to be about the same. Yep, choose your device, push to talk, whatever. All right, that's about the same. And now we have a friends list here. And you have a list of group chats towards the bottom as well, which we will check out in a moment. This is the usual Steam news where you can see which games are on sale. It's E3, so everything's kind of going wild with pre-orders and sales and yada yada JRPGs. That's fine. Over here, you now have an icon. Well, this is, again, for the beta saying, welcome to the all-new Steam Chat. You now have easier friends lists, group chats, and voice chat. Another important but subtle update is that, and it's a reason that I normally keep Steam closed pretty much all the time, is they finally added a proper invisible mode. Go up here to your status, and online, previously you could only go offline, which closed up your friends list. You could no longer view or interact with chats or anything like that. Now you can go over here and go to invisible, appear offline, seem offline to other people, even if you're in a game, but still view your friends list and view and interact with chats. Which is really freaking nice. All right, so we are going to make a group chat here. If I go to group chat and create a group chat, I can start to invite friends. So for example, I'm going to invite SMK, and you can see which people are online and which are AFK. I'm going to invite Fabio, and since Fabio is not in the beta, it won't let me invite him. During the full release, that will of course be fixed. All right, I have invited two people. We're going to call this a name, Steam Group Chat Test, and I'm going to hit invite. Of course, they do have to accept, and now we have this new group chat UI. And much like Discord, you can create different text channels. So you can have a games channel, a general chat, things like that in Discord, and you can start creating voice channels. Now it has put me in this voice channel. That's fine. I'm going to make another voice channel. Basically, whoever makes a new voice channel will create it with themselves, and then we can come over here and pull up a quick chat just for that voice channel, which is fancy. Or you can save the voice channel. Test 3, confirm. I'm going to make a new one. Save voice channel, test 4. I'm going to go ahead and leave the voice chat, but now we have different voice channels along with different text channels to test. This is a test of the new Steam group chats. You can do some pretty cool stuff with here. So I am actually, stuff with here? That wasn't even English. You can actually embed images. So if I copy, you can embed images and links. That one's not going to work because it's a video link. Doesn't work as well as Discord. Is there one that is just a still image? All of these are videos. Why, Steam? Why? Copy image address. Automatic image previews, which you can resize at will. You can, of course, attach images directly if you want to upload your own from your computer, which is pretty cool. You can use emotes, your usual Steam emotes, which look super outdated at this point, for real. You can delete, you can hide the image. You can start jumping in a voice chat from here. You can kick and ban and edit roles of your voice chat servers. Basically, I mean, this is basically Discord. Everything about this looks exactly like Discord. You can set up the different channels. You can add an icon, a tagline. You can set up roles and permissions. You can set up custom invite links. This is going to expire by the time this goes up. That's fine. Like, this is effectively Discord. This is fascinating. And then you can change the notification settings here as well. So, for example, for this group chat, I'm going to say, notify me for none, but display an indicator. So, if you're still someone who uses, actually, real quick, you can see there's a tab up here for this group chat. Now, if I pull up friends list and pull up a message, now you can keep group chats and private messages in separate tabs. So, for example, I'm going to pull up this URL. Hey, Steam now has Discord-like group chats. Here's the beta. I can send that in a private message. Now I can go back and forth between these. Or if I want to make a new group chat, I'm going to invite test2 invite. Now I have set up a second group chat and we can switch between them. Yes, this is literally Discord. Hello. Hello. I don't know if it's set up for my right microphone. Pretty cool. So this is Steam Chats Beta. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, link to the beta will be in the description down below. This is really neat. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Get subscribed for more awesome tech content. And I'll see you in the next one.